By 2027, every password, every encrypted message, every secure transaction you've ever made could become completely transparent to whoever wins the quantum race. Google just solved a computational problem in 5 minutes that would take the world's fastest supercomputers 10 septillion years. That's longer than the age of the universe. And what they aren't telling you is that China is already responding with weapons of their own. Behind closed doors at Google's quantum lab, something unprecedented happened. Their Willow chip didn't just achieve quantum supremacy, it shattered every assumption about what's computationally possible. While the world was distracted by chatbots and AI art generators, Google quietly built a 105-qubit processor that can perform calculations beyond the reach of any classical computer in existence. This isn't incremental progress. This is a quantum leap that changes everything. But here's what should keep you awake at night. The same technology that can revolutionize drug discovery and climate modeling can also crack RSA encryption, the mathematical foundation protecting your bank accounts, military communications, and state secrets. Every nation on Earth is racing toward a moment when current cybersecurity becomes obsolete overnight. We're not talking about faster computers. We're talking about a fundamental shift in the balance of global power. The silent takeover is already underway. Within hours of Google's announcement, Huawei's Ascend 910C chip was unveiled, specifically designed to challenge NVIDIA's AI dominance and close the quantum gap. While U.S. export controls try to slow China's progress, their engineers are working overclock to achieve what intelligence analysts call Q-Day, the moment when quantum computers can break military-grade encryption. The Pentagon estimates this could happen within 5 to 10 years. Some experts say it could be sooner. This is the Singularity countdown you haven't heard about. While everyone debates whether AI will take their jobs, the real power struggle is happening at the quantum level. Google's Willow chip represents more than a scientific breakthrough. It's a geopolitical earthquake. The nation that masters quantum AI first doesn't just win a technology race. They gain the ability to read every secret, break every defense, and reshape the global order according to their vision. And the terrifying truth? We're watching this happen in real time, and most people have no idea what's at stake. Behind the technical jargon and corporate press releases, the unseen architects are making moves. Google, IBM, and a handful of quantum startups in the West, Huawei, Alibaba, and state-funded Chinese labs in the East. Each breakthrough brings us closer to a world where privacy as we know it ceases to exist. Your encrypted messages, your financial data, classified government files, all of it becomes readable the moment someone achieves scalable quantum computing. And unlike nuclear weapons, there's no treaty, no deterrent, no mutually assured destruction to keep this technology in check. The shift is already happening beneath the surface. We've moved from simple chatbots to reasoning agents like Project Strawberry and Q-Star, AI systems that don't just respond, but actually think through problems step by step. Now imagine those reasoning agents powered by quantum processors like Willow. The combination doesn't just create smarter AI, it creates an intelligence capable of solving problems that no human mind could ever comprehend. Problems like breaking every security protocol ever designed. Problems like optimizing weapon systems beyond our wildest fears. Problems like controlling information itself. Here's what Google won't emphasize in their cheerful press releases. The Willow chip achieved something called below-threshold error rates, meaning the more qubits they add, the more stable the system becomes. For 15 years, this was considered the impossible barrier in quantum computing. They just broke through it. This isn't a prototype that works in theory. This is functional quantum supremacy that can scale. And if Google can do it, others will follow. The question isn't if quantum AI will transform our world. The question is who controls it when it does. The global chess match is intensifying. The United States has already restricted exports of advanced chips to China, trying to maintain their lead in AI and quantum technologies. But restrictions only accelerate China's determination to become self-sufficient. Huawei's Ascend 910C is proof they're not backing down. Every sanction, every export control, every banned technology transfer pushes this from a tech race into something far more dangerous, a quantum arms race where second place means obsolescence, or worse. By 2030, according to classified briefings leaked to cybersecurity experts, we could see the first practical demonstrations of quantum computers breaking current encryption standards. Banks, governments, and corporations are already scrambling to develop quantum-resistant encryption. But here's the unsettling reality. They're trying to build defenses against an attack vector they don't fully understand, using mathematics that might itself be vulnerable to technologies that don't exist yet. We're fighting tomorrow's war with yesterday's tools. This is the world the AI shadow has been warning you about. Not killer robots or sentient machines, but the quiet accumulation of power in the hands of whoever controls the most advanced computational systems on Earth. Google's Willow chip is brilliant, revolutionary, and terrifying precisely because it works. The age of quantum AI isn't coming, it's here. And the nation that weaponizes it first won't need traditional warfare. They'll simply know everything, see everything, and control the one resource that matters most in the 21st century: information. The countdown has begun. The architects are chosen, and the future is being written in qubits and quantum gates while the world scrolls through social media, unaware that everything is about to change. Subscribe to Face the AI Shadow.